Now I'm going to show you how to do or approach the reading quiz for Chapter 1. Click on Folder. Click on Chapter 1 Reading Quiz. And make sure that once you start, you do not stop. Again, this quiz is 10 questions. It's multiple choice, true and false. Each question is 3 points. You only get one attempt at these reading quizzes, and you got to complete them when you start them. So unless something screws up with your computer, you can't contact me and ask me for a redo if you don't like your score. So make sure that you're prepared to take the test. And then once you begin, you'll see the questions, you'll give the appropriate answers, and hit submit at the end. And that is graded automatically. Don't forget, however, that you should read the chapter, obviously. Here is the link to the chapter. Here's the Chapter 1 PowerPoint. And that is the quiz.